Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your daily, monthly dose of crafty goodness, and this is the unboxing of the Spellbinders August 2025 Glimmer and Cut. They don't do that set anymore, so their clubs are different, but these are the 3 clubs that I have and I currently received. So let's start with the Glimmer, because that's the one a lot of people love. So you get a foil that comes with it, for those who don't know. And this one's super sparkly, and this is the speckled prism, which is very pretty. It's got almost a rainbow effect in there as well, which is lovely. And that is to go with the main hot foil plates. The sentiments do have coordinating dies this month, which is always lovely, and this is a full plate, so full A2 size. So this one is called, I did not turn this over, this one is called Beneath the Bubbles, and you can create this full panel, I know you can't really see it here, of bubbles using your hot foil. And the yeah, so you can create a full panel. Don't know where I lost my train of thought there. So the small die of the month is another one that you do get every month, and this one is called, because again I didn't turn it the right way around, the Deep Blue 2. So that 3 times fast. And this is to create these little divers, and it's got some corals and things, layered corals as well, which is quite cool, and then some fish. And yeah, so you can do these little guys and then create like a little scene like so, which I think is very cute, and I love the ocean, so that's very cool. And in the background here, on this one, it's got the embossing folder of the month. I don't get that, so I don't know what it's called. Sorry. And then the third one that I've got is the large die of the month, and it is always very large. It's packed with stuff, and this has kind of a double thing. You've got this bag that creates the like the fish in the bag, which is kind of mean, but fish in a bag, and I'm going to say for transport purposes only. And so there's the fish to go in it, and then there's some extra little bits here and a mermaid. And so this one is called Splash Tails, and for some reason in my head DuckTales rang bells, so I started singing that. But in here you get the instructions on how to put together. There's some rocks, there's a little sandcastle, there's the fish that can go in the bag or not, there's some florals and seaweeds to go if you're working with either a full sort of scene for the fish or in the bag. It just shows you how to put the bag together as well. It doesn't have an example on here of how to put the little mermaid together, but she's very cute. So that's it. That's the small die, the large die, and the Glimmer of the month for 2025, August 2025. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and stick around. I will bring some videos to you showing you what to do with this stuff. So yeah, until next time guys, bye for now.